You sleep 7, maybe 8 hours. You down your morning coffee, but you're still tired. By mid-afternoon, you crash. Again. What if I told you that your fatigue isn't just about poor sleep or stress? There's a deeper reason you feel drained, and most men completely miss it. Today, we'll uncover the real biological and lifestyle reasons you're always tired, and what to do to fix it naturally. Welcome to Optimized Men, where we help high-performing men reclaim their energy, balance hormones, and dominate life naturally. Today's topic hits close to home for many of us. Chronic fatigue, but not the take a nap and feel better kind. We're talking about deep, unshakable tiredness that drains your motivation, muscle, mood, and life. Let's break it down, and stick around to the end where I'll show you the proven natural ways to get your energy back. Chapter 1. The silent epidemic of male fatigue. Modern life is burning men out. We wake up to blue light, skip breakfast, hustle through traffic, stress at work, eat processed food, scroll at night, and pass out with our phones in hand. It's not just a sleep issue, it's a full body burnout. And here's the truth, chronic fatigue in men is often the first warning sign of hormonal imbalance, especially declining testosterone, cortisol dysfunction, and poor nutrient absorption. But most guys ignore it. They push harder, drink more caffeine, sleep less, then wonder why they feel like zombies. This isn't about willpower, it's about broken systems. Your body is designed to feel vital, focused, and resilient. When it doesn't, something's off. You can't out-hustle your biology. Chapter 2. It's not just in your head. Contrary to what society tells you, this isn't just aging. Men in their 30s, 40s, and 50s are struggling with low energy more than ever. Here's what might be going on. Low testosterone. Testosterone fuels mitochondrial activity, your cell's energy production. Low T equals low energy. Nutrient deficiency. Most men are deficient in magnesium, vitamin D, zinc, and B12, critical for energy metabolism. Poor blood flow. If circulation is sluggish, your cells don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need. High estrogen/cortisol. Chronic stress flips your hormone profile, draining testosterone and raising fat-storing estrogen. And it gets worse. These imbalances reinforce each other. Low T increases fat storage. More fat increases estrogen. Estrogen lowers T further. It's a downward spiral unless you intervene. Fatigue isn't just tiredness, it's your body screaming, "I'm out of balance." Chapter 3. The energy thieves you don't notice. Let's talk about what's stealing your energy silently every single day. Overuse of stimulants. Caffeine spikes cortisol. It works. Until it doesn't. Long term, it burns out your adrenals. Late night light exposure. Blue light crushes melatonin. Poor melatonin equals poor sleep equals poor testosterone. Processed carbs and sugar. Blood sugar crashes zap your energy and increase fatigue. Lack of movement. Paradoxically, the less you move, the more tired you get. Exercise boosts energy production. Toxin exposure, plastics, chemicals, poor air quality. They tax your liver, hormones, and mitochondria. Sleep fragmentation. You might be in bed for 8 hours, but are you getting deep sleep, waking up multiple times without noticing REX recovery? EMFs and noise pollution. Constant low-level stimulation keeps your nervous system on edge. You're not lazy, you're being robbed by an environment and lifestyle that weren't built for male vitality. Chapter 4. What most doctors miss. Most conventional doctors run a basic blood test, see normal T levels, and tell you it's just stress. But here's the kicker. Normal testosterone in most labs is based on sick populations. The range is wide, and being in the low normal bracket doesn't mean you're optimized. What you need is a look at free testosterone, not just total, an assessment of cortisol rhythms, insight into nutrient levels, inflammation markers, and insulin sensitivity. Functional medicine gets this. Most GPs don't. You need data, not assumptions. You need a holistic plan, not another prescription. In the first half, we explored the hidden causes of fatigue, the role of hormones and nutrients, and why most guys miss the signs. Now in the second half, we'll dive into the action steps, what you can actually do starting tomorrow to get your energy back. Let's go. Chapter 5. Fixing the fatigue naturally. So what can you actually do to reclaim your energy without needing to rely on caffeine or sleep marathons? Here's the 4-part framework used by high-performing men who feel clear, sharp, and driven every single day. 1. Optimize your morning routine. Your body needs cues to wake up, not alarms. That means resetting your circadian rhythm and fueling your body properly first thing. Sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Go outside. Let natural light hit your eyes. It tells your brain the day has started, which boosts dopamine and testosterone while regulating cortisol naturally. Protein and fat-based breakfast, ditch the toast and cereal. Go with eggs, avocado, nuts, and seeds. This stabilizes blood sugar and keeps your energy consistent until lunch. Hydration with electrolytes. Most fatigue in the morning comes from dehydration. Add sea salt or a high-quality electrolyte mix to your water. It's a simple fix with big impact. Even if you don't feel like a morning person now, these steps retrain your biology, and within a week, you'll feel the shift. 1. Support testosterone naturally, and energy doesn't just come from sleep, it's hormonally driven, and testosterone is the king hormone for male vitality. Lift heavy weights 3 times a week. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and pull-ups stimulate both growth hormone and testosterone. Keep sessions under 45 minutes and focus on intensity, not volume. Prioritize deep sleep. 90 minutes of deep sleep before midnight is gold for hormone regeneration. Start winding down by 9:30 p.m. and avoid blue light and screens. Take proven natural supplements. Instead of reaching for synthetic testosterone or risky hormone replacement, you can stimulate your own production naturally. Examples include Testosterone, supports healthy testosterone levels, stamina, and mood. Primegenics, targets stress-related cortisol imbalances and inflammation. NAD Plus, boosts mitochondrial energy production, your cell's power source. These are backed by science and designed for men looking to restore real energy from the inside out. 1. Eliminate the hidden energy drains. Some energy killers are obvious, others are sneaky. Here's what to eliminate if you're serious about reclaiming your edge. Limit alcohol to 1 to 2 nights per week, maximum. It crushes testosterone and interrupts REM sleep, especially in the second half of the night when recovery is crucial. Detox your environment. Use glass containers instead of plastic. Switch to natural personal care and cleaning products. Avoid artificial air fresheners. Why? Endocrine disruptors like phthalates and parabens mess with your hormonal balance. Turn off screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light isn't just bad for your eyes, it delays melatonin production and shortens deep sleep. Read, journal, stretch, or meditate instead. These small lifestyle tweaks may not feel revolutionary at first, but together they create a massive cumulative impact. 1. Stack supplements strategically. Supplements aren't magic pills, but when paired with the right habits, they act as force multipliers. Here's a simple stack to support your energy systems from every angle. Morning NAD Plus to charge up cellular energy. Glucose 6 to stabilize blood sugar, no more afternoon crashes. Electrolytes for hydration. Midday, Neuroactive 6 for clean mental focus and mood support. Protein Plus greens for nutrient replenishment. Short walk to stimulate blood flow and insulin sensitivity. Evening, Primegenics after dinner for testosterone and cortisol balance. Magnesium glycinate to aid sleep and muscle recovery. Zero screen time 60 minutes before bed. Do this consistently, even for 7 days, and watch how your energy, clarity, and mood begin to shift. Chapter 6, Final Thoughts and Call to Action. Feeling tired all the time isn't normal. It's not something you have to accept. Fatigue is your body's way of saying something's off, whether it's your hormones, your nutrients, your sleep patterns, or your environment. But here's the good news, it's fixable. Start small, pick one habit, whether it's sunlight in the morning, swapping your breakfast, or ditching screens before bed. Build on it week by week, stack smart supplements on top of strong foundations. This is how real energy is built, not with hype, but with habits. Check the description for affiliate links to the products I trust and use. And if this helped you, like, comment, subscribe. We've got more science-backed, no-fluff guides coming every week. Stay sharp, stay strong, stay optimized.